Have you heard about soy milk but you're still wondering and confused whether soy milk is good or bad for you? Is soy milk healthy? Is soy milk healthy and better than regular milk? Can we drink and is it good to drink soy milk daily for good health benefits? To get answers of all these questions, keep watching this video, and so without delaying any further, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods and ways to bring inner peace for a healthy lifestyle. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon in the end to get latest updates from Lifestyle Speaks. In today's times, non-dairy milks have become quite popular, and among them there's a very popular plant-based milk which is an alternative to cow milk, and that is your soy milk. But is soy milk equivalently healthy to cow milk or healthier than cow milk? That is something which needs to be understood so that we can make a decision whether we want to include soy milk in our diet or not. Soy milk is made from soya beans by soaking, grinding and boiling the soya beans in water. And nowadays there are so many brands which have launched soya milk in the market. And many of these brands are also known to fortify their soy milk with different vitamins and minerals so that they can provide many antioxidant and health benefits to our body. There are many reasons as to why people choose to drink non-dairy milk like a soy milk over the dairy milk. Because firstly, they do not like the taste of cow milk. Secondly, many people prevent themselves from consuming too much dairy because of reasons which is related to their health and weight loss. And thirdly, some people are lactose intolerant, which is a digestive disorder where their body is unable to process lactose, which is a major carbohydrate that is found in your dairy products. So when these people consume dairy products, they experience a range of uncomfortable gastrointestinal side effects like bloating, diarrhea, and abdominal cramping. And that is why plant-based milk options are better for them over the dairy milk. Soy milk is known to have various nutritional properties due to which they can be a worthwhile addition to our diet because they contain a range of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, iron and zinc, due to which they can provide a body with a range of health benefits. Soy milk is very high and rich in proteins with all the essential amino acids, which is very important for healthy organs and muscles. And other than that, they are known to contain B vitamins in abundant amounts, which helps to maintain nerve cells in our body and also for reducing tiredness and fatigue in our body. Soy milk also contains healthy fats, which are your omega-3 fatty acids, which our body generally does not synthesize, but it is very important for our brain health and for reducing a risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Plant compounds present in soy are heart protective, due to which they can lower a risk of developing heart disease. The soy milk which is present in the markets, whether they are fortified or not, in both cases they contain abundant amounts of potassium, which can help to maintain our blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which is very important for improved heart health. Soy milk is naturally low in sugar content as compared to your regular cow milk. Cow milk is known to contain 12 grams of natural sugar per cup, whereas soy milk is known to contain 7 grams of natural sugar per cup. Also, soy milk contains only 80 calories, which is equivalent to that found in skimmed cow milk, due to which consumption of soy milk is good for weight loss. Also, monounsaturated fatty acids which are present in soy milk can inhibit intestinal absorption of fat, which further helps in weight loss. The best part about soy milk is that they can improve our body's blood lipid profile because they are low in saturated fats and cholesterol as compared to your cow milk, which are high in saturated fats and cholesterol. And this can help to lower blood triglyceride levels and LDL and bad cholesterol levels and increase HDL and good cholesterol levels. So as we can see, soy milk has a range of health benefits and they can be considered as a milk of choice because of their nutritional profile and because they're rich in proteins and low in saturated fats and cholesterol. over the past few years, consumption of soy and soy products like a soy milk has earned a bad reputation and has been a controversial topic because they are known to contain high amounts of isoflavones in them. Isoflavones are known to possess estrogenic properties which can mimic estrogen hormones, which are the female sex hormones that can bind to estrogen receptors in our body and increase a risk of developing cancer, which is mainly your breast cancer. But many research studies have been done and scientists have extensively researched about the effect of isoflavones in our body. And yet they have not found any correlation between drinking soy milk and increased cancer risk. And also, according to the American Institute of Cancer Research, moderate consumption of soy foods, including a soy milk, is recommended, which means having one serving daily of your whole soy foods, including a soy milk. And this much amount has been found to be safe for consumption. However, if you're someone who's allergic to soy, then you should totally avoid soy milk, and otherwise it is a good option for others and can be made a part of a healthy diet. The second concern with soy milk is that soy milk does provide nutritional benefits to a body, but it does not contain similar nutrients or equivalent nutrients to the regular milk, such as it does not contain vitamin D, calcium, phosphorus, riboflavin, and niacin. However, some brands these days provide soy milk which has been fortified with vitamin D and calcium, but still they are not nutritionally equivalent to cow milk. So if you want to drink soy milk, it is good, you should drink. But if you want to drink it as a milk substitute, then you must know that soy milk has lesser nutritional content as compared to your regular milk. But soy milk also has lesser sugar content and lesser saturated fats and cholesterol compared to your regular milk. So whatever choice you make among soy milk and regular milk, make it wisely. Soy milk can be easily found in the grocery stores these days. But it is important that we choose a healthy soy milk and we prefer brands which provide unsweetened soy milk over the sweetened soy milk. And another thing is that whatever soy milk is available in the market these days, most of them are fortified. But still, when you buy soy milk, do ensure that they have been fortified with vitamin D and calcium so that its nutritional profile can resemble regular cow milk as much as possible. So that's it for today. I really hope you find today's video useful and now you're able to make a clear decision whether soy milk is good or bad for you. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment below to share your thoughts. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.